Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. If somebody's having trouble with this, if they save it or export it as an SVG, when they open it, this is a PowerClip, and evidently the PowerClip is showing through or printing through. I know that can happen sometimes with lasers, but it's really not there. There's nothing there. But how do we fix this? If we look at this on wireframe, which I don't normally use, you can see a bunch of double lines, and so that's the PowerClip. So my suggestion, and I'm going to go back to view and enhance. My suggestion would be to click on your PowerClip and go right here to extract the contents and then move this over. You can see that this is showing you a PowerClip box. Let's see if we can't grab this, go up to Object, Group, and ungroup them. And we can get rid of that. Now, let's do this. Let's see, this is a black fill. We want no fill, but an outline. But we have the double lines. We don't really want double lines, so we're going to go to Object and break the curve apart. I'm going to grab just that center line and move it down. I didn't change my nudge factor. I needed like 3 inches. Move this down. So now we have an outline. Now we have some text, and we're gonna make a plus key on the keyboard because we want that color. Because I'm gonna actually look at this closer. I'm gonna left click, right click, and you can see that it hasn't been welded. So it needs to be welded. So and what I'm talking about is their interior parts of the letter. So let's just weld it and you'll be a lot better off. Now, what I would do is, I don't think we could take that Oregon and just put it in there, but we could use that color in a minute. I would actually take this now and see if we can't contour it to get that part back. What am I doing? Effects, contour. I'm going to contour to the outside, just one step. Let's just go 0.1 and see what happens. Too big. Let's go 0.01. And he can play around with that. That may be not quite enough. 0.03. Let's say, no, that's too much. Let's go 0.02. That's what I should have done. Okay. Go up to Object, break the contour apart. Let's take our contour now and move it out of the way. Now we could actually color this in with green, and we might be able to get by with just nudging it over, and you can see that it wasn't all connected anyway, so we'll connect it. So now we have our Oregon that's green. I'm actually going to take that outline away by right-clicking no outline. And then we'll just look at this and see if this looks good, and it looks good. So now what we need to do, this is no longer a PowerClip. So now what we need to do, and I'm thinking I'm going to have to take this green away, but I might have to, let me just get rid of that. I might have to play with this to get that transparency. I'm going to Control G to group that together. And I'm going to tell you what, I'm going to nudge the Oregon out of the way. And I'm going to bring in my flag. But this time I am going to, and we're almost there, I'm going to move it up just a hair. Maybe move it over just a hair. And this time I'm going to select it, and I'm going to use Intersect tool. So now we have a flag, and I guarantee that there's nothing behind that. Now we could take our outline and nudge it over and make it thicker by double-clicking on your pen tool, and let's make it that 3 points. That might be too thick. Well, should have hit OK. Let's make it 2 points. And remember, you can always type in 2.5. Now, let's take the Oregon and nudge it over. The only problem is we don't have a white background. And so I don't know if he's printing this or not, but what we can do is take that and actually take the Smart Fill tool, and depending on what color, printers use, we could take the white and fill that in with white. And now let's see what we got. Now I'm gonna put no outline by right-clicking, but that should still be there, the white background. So now we have a white, but it is a white background and not a transparent background like we had before. But anytime you can intersect instead of PowerClip, I think you're better off. And the good thing about it, you still have your flag to work with, and you don't have any PowerClip problem. I mean, PowerClip has its good sides and bad sides, and I saved it and exported it, and I couldn't get it to mess up, but evidently it's messing up for him. I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.